I'm Alex Webb, and for buyers across the country facing steep housing prices, the Federal Reserve's recent rate cut was expected to heat up the housing market. But instead, here in Abilene, both sales and prices are looking about the same.
I think anytime there's a national news coverage about an interest rate decrease, that always maybe puts people in the market that had maybe been on the sidelines, kind of waiting on a rate decrease. But I would say we're probably settled. We just haven't seen much of a slowdown.
And the reason why? Mortgage rates don't move directly with the Fed's decisions. Instead, they are based on the yield on 10-year treasury bonds.
Sometimes when that yield decreases in anticipation of a rate cut, the mortgage rates decrease. And in this situation, the mortgage industry anticipated the rate cut of 25 basis points last week. And before the rate cut, our mortgage rates were coming down slightly.
Unlike the stock market, local real estate doesn't change drastically overnight. And experts say Abilene's economic stability keeps the housing market holding steady as well.
Real estate is not really a commodity like the stock market or things like that. It's always going to ebb and flow a little bit, but not with a real stable economy and stable employment. A lot of positive, exciting things going on right now in Abilene, Taylor County. We're optimistic about the market.
But for many buyers still waiting on that price drop, stability isn't exactly the answer they're looking for.
The prices, are probably not going to be going down. In fact, our median price of $249.9 in Taylor County is up 2.2% over the same time period last year. So, technically speaking, you're going to pay 2.2% more for a house this year, this past July, than you would have last July.
Despite the increase since the previous year, realtors say it's still not a bad time to buy.
We think it's a good time all the time. Anytime you can get around 6 or less, even though it's a little higher, you can afford a little bit less, because of the rates. It's still a good time to buy.
Experts will continue to monitor the housing market over the next few months, but as for right now here in Abilene, affordability is staying the same.